Everyone's obsessing over mortgage approvals, while I raised over £200,000 without asking a single bank for permission. No broker, no credit checks, no computer says no. Just understanding investor psychology and showing them numbers they couldn't argue with. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on exactly how private investor psychology works and how to use it ethically to fund your deals. This isn't manipulation, it's clarity. Let's dive in. Most investors pitch BRRR deals like this. This property will make £1,000 a month. It's a no-brainer. And the investor thinks, says who? Prove it. What if you're wrong? Here's what nobody tells you. Investors don't reject your deal. They reject your uncertainty. After analyzing 1,000 plus UK property deals, I can tell you with absolute confidence, the people who raise money without mortgages aren't the ones with the best deals. They're the ones who can prove their deals work, down to the last pound. I've seen every mistake in the book. Inflated valuations, fantasy, refurb budgets, rental estimates pulled from thin air. But here's the pattern. Investors don't care if it's your first deal or your 50th. They care about one thing. Can you reduce their fear? And fear only disappears when numbers replace guesswork. That's what we're fixing today. Every investor decision rests on 3 pillars. Return. What's in it for them? Risk. What could go wrong? Transparency. Can they trust your numbers? If any of these is unclear, they won't fund you. Miss return? They don't care. Miss risk management? They're scared. Miss transparency? They think you're hiding something. Nail all 3? Money flows. Let me show you how to build each side of this triangle. Let's break down real BRRR maths, not Instagram fantasy. You buy at £100,000. Refurb £30,000. Fees £5,000. All-in cost £135,000. Property revalue at £150,000. You refinance at 75% LTV equals £112,500 pulled out. You've recycled £112,500. You've left £22,500 in the deal. Now let's say annual net cash flow is £3,600 after all costs. £3,600 divided by £22,500 equals 16% cash on cash ROI, not the 40% you see clickbait YouTubers claim, but 16% that you can prove. And proof beats hype every single time when it comes to investor money. This is where most investors blow it. They walk into a conversation saying, I'll give you 10% return. The investor thinks, based on what? Your gut feeling? Here's what pros do. They start with what the deal can afford. They model. If I pay investor interest of X, what's left for me after all costs? Then they present a realistic offer backed by data. That's not guessing. That's deal architecture. And investors feel that difference instantly. Here's what most people don't get. Raising money isn't about your deal. It's about reducing fear. Investors are scared of 2 things. 1, losing money. 2, losing control. You neutralize both through radical transparency. When they can see exactly where their money goes, line by line, cost by cost, the fear evaporates. They stop seeing risk. They start seeing opportunity. That's the psychological shift that funds deals. When I present a deal, I don't send a 20-slide deck full of stock photos. I send one clear page. Purchase cost, refurb breakdown, refinance projection, monthly cash flow, investor return, risk, buffers, all visual, all clear, all backed by calculations they can verify. That's what the ultimate UK deal calculator does. It turns chaos into confidence. And confidence is what gets funded. You could spend hours building spreadsheets and still miss costs. Or you can use the tool we built after analyzing 1,000 plus real UK deals. The Ultimate UK Property Deal Calculator does all of this automatically. BRRR, refinance modeling, ROI sensitivity testing, investor return calculations. Every hidden cost included professional PDF summaries. It's the exact tool we use internally for every analysis. And it makes you look like you've raised millions, even if this is deal number 1. Here's how this worked in real life. Manchester semi-detached, £120,000. Purchase, £25,000. Refurb, £4,000. Fees, total, £149,000. All in. Revalued at £180,000. Refinanced at 75% equals £135,000 released. Money left in, £14,000. Net cash flow after all costs, £320 per month. £3,840 annual divided by £14,000 left in equals 27%. ROI. I presented this to an investor using a clean calculator summary. Every cost visible, risk buffers shown, 12-month timeline mapped. They funded £200,000 across multiple deals without hesitation. Why? Because trust doesn't live in promises, it lives in numbers. If you want to raise investor capital, real capital from real people, you have to stop selling and start proving. Stop the hype. Stop the guesswork. Stop the amateur spreadsheets. Start analyzing like a professional. Grab the Ultimate UK Property Deal Calculator. Same tool, 1,000 plus deal track record. Links in the description and pinned below. And if this clicked for you, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down advanced UK property strategy every week. Your first funded deal could be one analysis away. Let's make it happen.